Hello guys, today I wanna show you Renovation of Anvil. It's heavy duty iron, 77 kilos. For clearing this rust and old paint, I will be using this electric grinder and drill. We got here wire cup brush. It's a special brush for cleaning rust and old paint. So let's start up. Now the anvil is ready cleaned from rust and old paint. So what we have to do is clean the anvil with brake and clutch cleaner project. So step 2. I got in here my brake and clutch cleaner. So we clean like that, we spray, we use a rag for cleaning the dust after cleaning the rust, and all what we have to do is clean around all anvil. After the cleaning, I painted one coat with the hammered black paint, so this paint is stronger than standard. The anvil will be needed 2 coats, so one is already done, so we have to wait 4 hours until the first coat will be dried, and then we can start at another coat. The anvil is painted 2 times. This surface we can't paint because after using it the paint just falls off. So what we can do is use the engine oil. Just use engine oil and just protect it with the engine oil like that. Just wee stuff of oil to protect for rust, and should be enough. Should be enough like that. Just few drops. And this engine oil should protect it for rust. Well done. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.